Hello, class of 215. So I will be explaining the skill interventions in which I use during my session with my client Sarah. So even during the very first session, you could see how I demonstrated what I expected my client to do. The actual definition of demonstration is referring to being well organized, step-by-step explanation of the language that is easily understood. And this is by the means of using gestures, actions, modeling. So as you can see in my session, you can see how I explained to my client what I expected out of her and how to produce the B. She's seen visually how to produce the sound, and she heard exactly what was going on. And then I went on to explain to her how we're going to incorporate that in the game. You'll also notice that there was an alerting stimuli. Alerting stimuli is basically giving your clients like a heads up of okay, look, we're about to do this, or for example, look at me, or I like to point at my mouth, and you automatically, even if you never see me point to my mouth, you're probably trying to figure out why I'm pointing to my mouth. And so the first thing you're going to do is just look at my mouth. So that was an alerting stimuli which I used. The main thing was the drill practice. So the actual definition of drill practice and what you've seen during the session, it is defined as the method of instruction characterized by systematic repetition of the concept. So as you can see in my demonstration, we used the B sound, and my client was to produce or repeat the B sound 10 times. And basically, it is the repetition of the same thing over and over and over again. Not only did I have her do some drill practicing with just looking at B sounds, I also did it by her looking at the letters, also by looking at my mouth, and also incorporating or applying it to a game board. Was some corrective feedback. She known when she have gotten things in a classroom correctly or not. I explained to her if she was to get something wrong, why she got it wrong, and I explained to her the correct way on how to produce the B sound. So those are the skill interventions in which I did in my class. Thanks for watching.